Delivering groundbreaking products with advanced performance before your competitors? That's the definition of innovation in consumer technology. And to innovate faster and further, you need a 3D printing solutions partner that's just as committed to breakthroughs as you are. 3D Systems is the market leader in additive manufacturing. We empower you to defy limitations through comprehensive solutions that are unmatched in the industry, including application development consulting, 7 cutting-edge 3D printing technologies, over 130 high-performance materials, software for end-to-end manufacturing workflows, and world-class service support. We help our clients accelerate time to market and develop consumer technology products with advanced performance that outpaces the competition. By accelerating design to pre-production workflows, advancing consumer technology design performance, and facilitating mass customization, our solutions enable the fabrication of production-grade prototypes and end-use parts for housings and covers, seals and gaskets, biocompatible wearable components, and much more, resulting in faster product development, more innovative designs, increased operational productivity, and improved supply chain continuity, all while advancing sustainability commitments. 3D Systems, cutting-edge 3D printing solutions, consulting, and world-class support. Committed to innovation and to empowering yours.